Imagine two chess legends locked in a mirror. In 1936, in the heart of Moscow, Gregory Levenfish and Emanuel Lasker faced off. What happens when both sides play for control, and the tension simmers from move 1? Welcome to the Symmetrical English at its most dramatic. White begins quietly with knight to f3, black mirrors, knight to f6. Then both show their intentions, c4, c5. The board becomes a battleground of symmetry. Both players push for the center, d4, d5, and then the game explodes with early captures and queen trades. Within just a few moves, queens vanish from the board. But don't be fooled, now the real story begins. With both sides stripped of their queens, each move is a new test of planning and nerve. Black plays for rapid development, e5, knight to c6, bishops out, king to safety. White stays flexible, fianchettos the bishop, castles, and keeps pieces coordinated. The tension is electric, who will make the first strategic breakthrough? Rooks line up on the open c-file, knights dance along the queenside, and every pawn move holds hidden meaning. One slip and disaster could strike. The battle rages, sacrifices, subtle trades, and positionally sharp chess at every turn. After furious exchanges, the game enters a tense endgame, rook and pawn versus rook and pawn, with both kings racing to centralize and support their armies. Will White's passed pawn become a hero, or can Black conjure magic from a seemingly level position? Check out these delicate endgame maneuvers: rooks infiltrate, knights leap, pawns dash forward. Both sides hunt for that single tempo, a tiny edge, anything to claim victory. But the balance is perfect. One small slip and either side would have lost. And so, after a marathon of ideas, perpetual threats, and wonderful balance, both players agree to a draw. What a lesson in harmony and patience. What would you try as white or black? Could you have found a win? Share your thoughts, country, and best move in the comments. Subscribe so you never miss a chess epic.